You've probably heard of flashlights that never need batteries or replacement bulbs. Is this too good to be true? I really wanted to know, so today I decided to build my own. To start, I bought an economy flashlight for $1.49. Then I broke it down to its components. After removing the parts I didn't need, I cut a piece of 1-inch PVC pipe and wrapped it with insulated magnet wire. Next I found a rubber bouncy ball and split it in half to plug the ends of the tube. Before sealing off the top, I placed inside a 3/4 inch by 1 inch neodymium rare earth magnet. I used an open flame from my barbecue igniter to remove the coating from the ends of the wires. Then I hooked the exposed ends to my multimeter to test it out. I was surprised that when I shook the tube, it easily generated an alternating current of over 4 volts. To prevent damage to the rest of the wire coating, I wrapped some packing tape twice around the tube. This also helped keep the wire in place and keep the tube snug in the casing. Next I drew up a schematic for the circuit I would need, and I went to work soldering and twisting wires in place. I used a rectifier I found on a junk circuit board to convert the AC from the shaker directly to DC. I wired this to a 5.5 volt, 1 farad electrolytic capacitor that I found on the same board. Next I wired a rocker switch that I hoped would fit in the pre-existing switch hole, and luckily it did. I carefully packed all the components inside the casing and left just the 2 lead wires hanging out. For convenience in changing out future LEDs, I soldered an 8-pin IC socket to the positive and negative lead wires. Then I hot glued it to the underside of the reflector, and the fit couldn't have been better. To finish up, I inserted a 10mm white LED that I got at Radio Shack for about $3. I screwed the cap back on, and done! My very own shake flashlight. I tested it out and was amazed at the results. Not only was the light bright, but for just 30 seconds of shaking, I could use my light for over 10 minutes. Well, I guess that answers the question that yes, you can run a flashlight without batteries, as long as you're willing to get a workout at the same time. That's another item for my emergency kit, and it was a lot of fun to make. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching.